Hi, welcome back to another video. I am so excited to do this look. So today is the 10th of September. This will be coming out, I think, on Monday, so the 12th or 11th or whatever. I can't do math. But Chloe's Have Mercy video just came out last night, and I watched it and I loved the makeup. And give me a second because I have to find I need to find what is it called? Hold on, give me just a second. I'm probably still keep talking anyway, but what the fuck am I saying? So first of all, the makeup and the styling, Brie Runway is there. Oh my god, it's fucking banger video. She looks good. The ass is there. I am just in love with the makeup. Just like when I saw like the Doja Cat Say So video last year. I don't know if I want to make this a mini series or not. I'm still thinking about it, because there is like a full like rhinestone look, and I actually just picked up some rhinestones yesterday when I went shopping. A little vlog thingy will kind of be up on TikTok. If you want to follow me there, feel free to do so. I would be so happy. I have to like look through the credits. There's so many credits. So if you like open up the description on the video, there's like all the key grips and the casting and everything like that, and I love that. But I just need to see. Okay, so the makeup is by Raquel Lizama and Chrissy Cassell, and I'll put their names up, and if I can find their Instagram, I will also put it up, because everything chef kiss. It reminds me a little bit of Anna Takahashi's work, because it's like the soft bold, but I'm gonna be doing this one, the kind of blue look in the beginning. I think like 15 or 30 seconds of the video before the thing. I feel like I'm kind of lopsided, but whatever, it's fine, I don't care. So they're on, I tried to look on her Instagram to find like a really good, nice, crisp HD photo, but I didn't. So I just have a paint open with kind of her looking off to the side with the just nice, beautiful blue look, and she looks very like dewy but also very matte, so I'm guessing the highlights were done really well. But I am just gonna be doing the blue look, and I don't know what it is about the blue that just makes my little brain just go haywire, and I'm like, I need to put this on my face right now. I wanted to kind of make the video a little bit shorter because I'm trying to like hit that nice content optimization. I feel like I need to be closer, but you know, I also don't look at me, I don't have a mullet. This is just the way my hair looks when I get out of the shower. Literally all this part is dry, and then the back of my head is all wet, and then I kind of like just put the sides out a little bit, just because I swear I'm not a mullet gay. I don't like mullets. I do not like them at all. They look good on some people. Like I think Rihanna can rock a mullet, my friend Cameron can rock a mullet, but I am just not a fan. Sorry, I did a red like brownish grunge look yesterday, and I'm just trying to wipe some of it off on the thing. Also have a coffee. I am also, hold on, I swear we're gonna get to the makeup. I relaunched my personal blog today. It's like a nice like light pale blue, so I'm gonna go in with this minty color kind of, and then we'll go over it. I think that's kind of perfect. I might just go a hair darker, or like put the blue over, just so that we're matching. Yeah, in the camera this is kind of a very intense pale blue, but I just want like a nice bright base. Oh yeah, so I relaunched my personal blog. I also reread an article that I wrote. It wasn't an article, it's a blog post, but it kind of reads like an article, and I was just like laughing at myself. It's from 2016 when I first started YouTube. And I had just had 10 subs, and they were all my family members, and I was uploading daily for a whole month or a couple of weeks, and I had about 50 subscribers. So I went from 10 to 50, and I was like, wow, I am great, I can give advice. And I actually did give some solid advice, just like also get into the skin. My skin feels a little bit weird because I forgot to, I like to go in after I do my skincare with the NYX Bear With Me like makeup set refresh spray, and it's so fucking good. And I feel like I would just felt a little bit greasy, but I think I also just put a little bit too much moisturizer on. But this look is also really simple. What the fuck? Oh yeah, so I relaunched it, and I'm going to be doing beauty and product reviews and maybe some like lifestyle stuff here and there, but I really just want to kind of focus on the makeup. I'm gonna tap just to cover everything. with Life on Mars from the Clarosike palette. And then I'm going to blend it. And then I'm going to go underneath the lash line. And then we're going to blow it out a little bit, I think, because I think the eyeshadow actually goes to just above her brow. So we're gonna use this as a transition. Also, sorry if you can't hear me well. I'm kind of just in my own zone right now. But yeah, today I'm just gonna work on like editing this and maybe messing around more in Photoshop to make me a proper logo, because the header and the stuff, I feel like headers and logos can work fairly well, but I feel like it just takes up so much space, and you know, it's a blog, it's not a website, so I can't really like freely design stuff, because I mean it could be a website, because there are some people who just follow like an old format too, and you know, it works for them. So I think just like nice, simple, and clean would work really well. I'm trying to just make this as big and bold, and then I'm gonna go back in with the light color and we're gonna blend. Oh, but the reason why I'm relaunching my personal blog that I haven't used in a year, because I wanted to do some product reviews and stuff like that, because I've accumulated some perfume, some lifestyle stuff, and you know, some mid-range to indie makeup and things like that. And if you post on Influencer, you can get some products sent to you to review. And I was like, cool, you know, I would love to try free products and you know, just give them to my friends and stuff. Sorry, I'm kind of like looking at you while doing this as well. And I was like, yeah, I can do that, you know, that sounds fun, just like a quick anecdote or excerpt or whatever, you know, get some free stuff sent. That's fun, because Influencer focuses on being less of a like product shilling site and sending you free things, you know, PR, without being an influencer or whatever. They want it to be a product review site, and obviously that's not what all the girlies use it for. Okay, it's actually like really tight underneath her line, but it's supposed to be really tight underneath her lower lash line, but I have wonky under eyes, so apologies. But just the makeup and this whole, and the looks and everything is just so freaking stunning, and I'm really obsessed. And I think Chloe and Halle are both, Chloe or Haley? Chloe and Haley, I think they're both stars on their own, and I'm so happy for her to have a solo debut. So we have this nice big blue moment, and then we're gonna go in with flat brush, if I have my clean one. I don't think I do. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go in with angled liner brush. Let me get off all this eyeshadow, because that would really make me really upset and ruin the look. Oh, but yeah, so I'm gonna be doing like product reviews and like trying to do little blurbs and stuff, because there's this, what is it called? Like beauty content writer position on a like online magazine or whatever. And I was like, ooh, let me apply. But then they're like, oh, you need to have like an online portfolio and stuff. And I was like, oop, never mind. And I was just like looking at this jobs, remote stuff, because it always gives me a lot of anxiety to kind of not know what I'm gonna do when I move. And so I like to make my anxiety worse by looking at stuff that I'm underqualified for, or that I'm possibly overqualified for, question mark. Okay, so this is what we have, and it's kind of basically it's a little bit more blended out, so I'm gonna do a little bit of blending, and I'm going to do some liner and then kind of darken it a little bit more, and I'll be right back, and then we'll be done. Okay, so I blended a little bit more, and then I have so much mascara on my eyes. I can like see it in my like so you know how when you have lashes you can see the lash band and stuff like that, or you can like see how big the lashes are in your eyes, but you know, you get used to it. I can see like the very like the bow of my lashes. But this is the final look. If I could redo it, definitely be more precise with the lower lash line and then not go as big, because it looks like it's kind of like a thinner brush, kind of like this, that they kind of like did it. I don't know if it's a liquid liner because it just looks so soft and blended. But yeah, I think I'll just be a little bit more precise, but this is my recreation of the look and I am so obsessed. This is so pretty. I cannot get over myself. I did a little bit of a heavier base today, and then I added more highlighter, and then obviously you can see a little bit of the warm bronzer. But yeah, I am obsessed, and shout out to Chloe for her what is it called? Sorry, I'm so fucking stupid. For her solo debut, and this song is literally fire. But yeah, go stream Have Mercy by Chloe Bailey, YouTube, Spotify, save it on Apple, all that good stuff, because their entire team worked their asses off this and put their whole everything, toes, coochie, armpits, it's all in there. The music video is amazing. But yeah, that's all that I have for you. My blog and TikTok and all the things down there if you want to like know first-hand reviews or just see my cat more often than you do me. Also, you could, if you look at my eyes, I know it'll be like flipped whenever I stop recording. This eye is smaller than this eye, and now I can't. Don't look at my right eye. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.